Guys, the painter is actually doing his job. So he's actually doing the body filling work, in which after that he'll be doing the painting of it. So you can see the job. So you can see him doing the washing of it. Well done, boss. So the job is really on progress. It's really on progress. So, but he's not yet done with this side. So he will be soon. He will soon start this job. So maybe by my next video, but that will be when they are done with the job. Maybe he's going. He's being prepared for painting. So yeah, although my birthday is on 15th of May, which is tomorrow. That's my birthday, 15th of May. So I'm really looking forward for you guys to wish me a happy birthday. So guys, thank you very much everyone. So you can see my mechanic is actually trying to fix the tire. Although he actually helped me to change the shaft rubber, which is at the edge. Although the one I have in there was broken, it have already cut. So that was the reason why I now seek for the mechanic to assist me on that. So that's the mechanic. Show your face. So that's the mechanic, as you can see. So the job is really in progress. So please, if you are new to my YouTube page, I would like you to remember to subscribe for me. Thank you very much all. See you in my next video, maybe when I'm almost done with the job. Thank you everyone. I love you guys. So guys, remember that I told you guys that 15th of May is my birthday. That is tomorrow. So if you have anything for me as a birthday gift, I'll be very glad. Thank you. Thank you.